Hi and welcome to Treasurie. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very first scarf. This is for absolute beginners. It uses a double crochet stitch so anyone can do this. And I'm going to go really slow so you can get your first scarf crocheted really quickly. Let's get started. For our lovely scarf, you're going to need any worsted weight yarn. Choose something that is an acrylic or a wool blend. I've used this one from Lion brand, which is called Mandala Ombre. And best of all, it has the stripes already in the yarn, so you can get a colour graduation without having to change colours. And last of all, you'll need a 5mm crochet hook. I'm going to teach you how to crochet this scarf, which is really thick yarn, just so you can see the stitches really clearly. But as I said, you'll be using a worsted weight yarn. The first thing we need to learn is the slip knot. You may have watched that video already, but let's just do it really slowly in case that's new. This is the tail end on the right, and this attaches to the ball on the left. So put the ball end over the tail end in a loop, grab your little fingers, pinch, put it through the loop, and grab the ball end and pull it through. So if you just pull the tail and the other end at the same time, very gently, there's your knot. And it's a sliding knot, so you can pull and make it smaller. Now put that on your hook. So the first thing we're going to do is some chains. So chains a yarn over, spin and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. So that's 2. Now if you're using a worsted weight yarn, you're going to need around 30 chains. So you want the chain to be 8 inches long, or you can adjust it. So the number of chains is the width of the scarf. So this is 8 inches. If you wanted a skinny scarf, you might just do 6 inches. So let's keep chaining, yarn over, pull through, until we have the width of the scarf. Okay, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to do a skinny scarf. So once you have the width that you want, you're going to do 2 extra chains. So 1 and 2. So that's just for the turning at the end. We have our chains, and now we're going to do double crochet. For double crochet, we're going to do our first stitch into the 4th chain from the hook. So don't count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do our double crochet stitch into that 4th. Our double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So the chains at the end count as our first double crochet, and then we've basically just done the second double crochet. Shall we do one more together? Yarn over, and we're going into the next stitch, insert, yarn over, pull through, we have the 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 double crochets. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And what you need to do is do the double crochets all the way to the end of the chain. Okay, we're coming to the end. What have we got? 2 left. And last one. So the last one is into the first chain there, it's not into the knot. And there we go, we have our first row of the scarf. Now I want you to re-measure, because sometimes your chains might have been loose or tight and it can affect the finished size. So just re-measure, make sure you're happy with the width that your scarf is going to be, because now's the time you can always restart and adjust it easily. So we're going to do now row 2. At the end of every row, you're going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, and 3. and that's called a turning chain, and all it does is bring up the height for the next row. So if you can just imagine, that's the height of row 2. Now we're going to turn, so you're always crocheting from right to left. Now row 2. We've already done our turning chain, and we're going to do the first double crochet into the first stitch. So not the base of the chain, you can see there's a little hole there, we're going to avoid that, not the base, but the next stitch, because this chain 3 counts as our first stitch. So yarn over, insert, and you will insert under both the loops, not just the one, under both. Yarn over, pull through, you have your 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to double crochet all the way to the end, always under both loops. So you can see from the side, you're going in there, yarn over, whoops, yarn over, insert, so insert from the side, under both those loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Crochet all the way to the end. Okay, I'm at the end, and we have that chain at the end. You're going to do the last double crochet into the 3rd chain at the end. So it's just the top bit. Yarn over, insert into that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So what that does is keep your stitch count correct and give you nice straight edges. And then all you have to do for the rest of the scarf is repeat that 2nd row. Chain 3 for your turning chain, turn. The first double crochet doesn't go into the base, it goes into the next stitch just there. You'll do double crochet all the way to the end, and the very last stitch will be into the top of the turning chain, which means the double crochet is into that 3rd chain there. And that's all you have to do for the entire scarf. And I'll just finish this row, and then I'll show you how to weave the ends and to fasten off. Just to eliminate any confusion, I just want to show you crocheting into that last turning chain again. So yarn over, and we're going to insert the hook into the 3rd chain, so just at the very top. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you will continue this crocheting until you have the length of the scarf you want. Most scarves are around 60 to 70 inches in length, but you can adjust it to your personal preference. You might need it to go around a few times, Doctor Who style, or you might just like it to wrap once. So you can choose the length of your scarf. When you get to the length you want, we're going to fasten off. You're going to cut about 6 inches from the end, and yarn over and pull that all the way through. So that creates a little knot, and if you tighten that down, that's not going to come undone. And the last step you're going to have is just to weave these ends. To weave the ends, you will need a yarn needle. Put the end through. So you need the eye to be large enough to fit your yarn through. That's probably larger than I need. And we're just going to hide the ends. Just weave up and down along the edge. Go in a few inches and pull through. As I said, this eye is a little bit bigger than I needed, so I had to give it a bit of a tug there. Okay, and then you can go down just until it's nice and hidden. There you go. Snip. And that's not going to come undone. And it's nicely hidden. And just repeat that for the other end. And you will have finished your scarf. And here's our finished scarf. These lovely striped colours were just in the yarn. So thanks for watching my first scarf tutorial. And I'll see you next time for more wonderful projects.